The Vnilrgle 4-in-1 CarPlay Android adapter offers a seamless wireless experience, combining the capabilities of a CarPlay adapter, Android Auto adapter, and Android system into one compact device for your vehicle. Pre-installed with popular apps like Netflix and YouTube, this adapter transforms your car's display into an entertainment hub and allows you to download additional apps for a customized experience. It requires a vehicle with existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto and supports a wide range of devices, although it is not compatible with certain car brands like Tesla and BMW. Featuring a powerful quad-core processor, ample RAM and storage, and advanced Bluetooth connectivity, it ensures a fast and stable streaming and navigation experience. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, the adapter provides a smooth and uninterrupted connection for simultaneous use of CarPlay, Android Auto, and streaming apps. With smart split-screen functionality and screen mirroring, it enhances driving convenience by allowing navigation and video watching simultaneously, while also supporting HDMI output for rear seat entertainment.